Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung ating reading for Libra career reading. Ayan, take only what resonates. And of course, kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang. Kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader, siya yung pwedeng magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. And friend ko yun, hindi ako yun guys. Kung magkakaroon ako ng personal reading, i-announce ko na lang yan sa TikTok. So, i-follow mo na lang din ako doon. Unicorn Princess Tarot, yan yung TikTok ko. Sana mag-comment kayo ha, kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys. Ayan. So, para doon sa mga ibang nagko-comment ng hindi maganda, I'm sorry to say, hindi ko po ina-allow yung comment na hindi maganda dito sa ating channel. So, yeah. Career reading for Libra. Page of Cups, Knight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Two of Pentacles. I feel like I can see a person or people na nakakausap mo na ngayon pero parang walang kwenta yung pinag-uusapan ninyo. I don't know. I feel like you do have a lot of priorities. And yung iba sa inyo, if you're acting immature ngayon, pag sinabi nating immature, pwedeng may mga ginagawa ka ngayon na immaturity. So, yung iba maybe a hobby na parang hindi mo naman to dapat hobby. You know, yung iba ina-addict na. So, some of you may kinalaman yon sa example lang, panonood ng K-drama, K-pop. Ay, tama ba? K-pop, yeah. Or, paglalaro ng mobile games, ayan, or panonood ng something na nakakapag-aksaya ng oras mo, panahon mo. You have a lot of priorities here. Dapat ito yung unahin mo eh. Lalo na kung may mga sinisimulan ka, new beginnings, na sinisimulan ka. The Five of Cups is here. Yung iba kasi ginagawa mo, yung bagay na yan, dahil hindi ka okay. 'Di ba? Meron kang mga hindi magagandang or might be mga iniiwasan na tao sa social media, ganon, or yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng hindi ka happy ngayon, may mga pinagdadaanan ka, and you are using this as a way para makawala doon sa kalungkutan na nararamdaman mo. Pero yun nga, the way I see this, dapat ang i-priority mo is the moon, this is something na spiritual. So, if you're doing something spiritual right now, you need to focus on this. Yan. Or, yung iba may kinalaman sa being a mother figure or what, maybe may kinalaman sa children. So, yung, eto ha, kung may kinalaman sa spiritual, maybe you are also doing spiritual stuff, dito ka mag-focus, i-priority mo to. Okay? Or may mga sinisimulan ka ngayon, i-priority mo to. Okay? And regarding sa emotion mo, sa ngayon, kalimutan mo muna yung emotion na yan. Ayan, layuan mo. Or kung may mga chat or person na nakakapagpalungkot sa'yo, pagdating sa social media or sa communication hindi maganda, layuan mo muna. Mag-focus ka dito sa priority mo. Lagyan mo ng action itong mga nasa isip mo na ito. The Ace of Swords and the Ace of Wands. And, yan. The Moon is this is like a planet of emotions or nakakoncentrate itong the Moon sa emotions, mga unconscious mind, and yung intuition mo. No? Or yung mood mo. Ayan. Huwag kang mag-focus sa mood mo kung ikaw ay nalulungkot. Nako, makapag-mobile games muna para matanggal itong lungkot ko. Hindi. 'Di ba? Kasi hindi hanggang kailan? Hanggang ma-addict ka na, 'di ba? So, focus on your priorities. Don't be this Page of Cups. Wag ka dapat maging Page of Cups. Sana nag-gets mo yung message sa'yo doon. You know, the Knight of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, yung iba their offers of pagta-travel or ikaw kailangan mag-travel or someone is going to visit you and would travel para makita ka or what. And I can see an offer or something na matututunan mo regarding this pagta-travel na ito. So, anyway, tell me for the sign of Libra career. Temperance is here. The Magician and the Five of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Five of Wands. Three of Cups. King of Wands is at the bottom. Yeah, these are the bottom of the decks. The way I see this, kailangan nabaan mo yung pasensya mo. Nakakita ko ng mga possible na makagalit mo. Maybe friends, katrabaho, empleyado, etc. The King of Wands, this is you. Pwede magkaroon ng pag-aaway dito. So, habaan mo yung pasensya mo para hindi magtuloy yung pag-aaway. Kasi ito pag-aaway na to could lead into the Ten of Swords. Pwedeng maging dumating sa point na magkaroon ng ending. Okay? Ngayon sa'yo, advice is to control your emotions. No? I-control mo yung emotion mo. Huwag ka maging immature. There are times na ikaw yung dapat umintindi, hindi dapat ikaw yung iniintindi. Okay, although this is your reading, of course, pag nakikita ka natin na mali ka dito sa part na ito, sasabihin ko talaga yun. And nakikita ko talaga na ikaw ang, hindi naman sinasabi kong may mali, pero posibleng maging mali. Dahil yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng piliting tama yung mali na ginawa or mga sinasabi. Yan. And you will hurt these people's feelings. Ito may kinalaman to sa career ha. Pwedeng masaktan mo sila. And with the Magician, this is you. You don't care. You don't care. Wala kang pakialam. Diba? But, you know, sinasabi lang natin, possible na magkaroon ng pag-aaway. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, mataas talaga ang iyong ego or, you know. You do have the Queen of Wands. Ayan, yung iba sa inyo, lalo na kung these are friends, na nabibigyan ka ng advice or what. Kailangan mo control yung emotion mo. Kasi itong mga kaibigan mo natin, hindi naman sila basta kaibigan. They are the one helping you to move on with life. Yeah, Three of Cups. These are your friends. This is, yeah, you have your Ten of Swords. Pagdating sa career mo, pwedeng sila yung nagiging, slowly but surely, nandyan lang sila palagi sa'yo. No? Ten of Swords and the Strength card. Huwag mong hayaan na mag-end yung something na sobrang tibay na dito. Like, the Strength card, this is matibay na relationship, connection. This could be best friends or what. The Chariot is here, so umiwas ka na lang. Yung iba, friends, or maybe person na, but high chance that these are friends. Yung iba, karelasyon mo or what, but mas malaki yung chance na these are friends. Huwag mong hayaang mawala or lumayo sa'yo. Kasi pwedeng makatulong sila sa'yo. So anyway, last message na lang pagdating sa career. Well, it involves career kasi although yung friendship yung tinutukoy natin, maaaring sila kasi nakakatulong sa career mo or yung mga advice nila nakakatulong sa career mo. Okay? So, last message for you, you do have here the Hermit and the Ace of Swords. I can see a new beginning regarding home. Yan, this is Virgo energy. I can see money na pwedeng kitain mo. Or, you know, if your career or yung business mo ay nasa bahay, I can see an increase of money. 10 of Pentacles dito sa bagay na ito. Or dito sa lugar na ito. So, if you are, you know, working at home, self-employed na sa bahay, yan, there's a lot of money na paparating sa'yo. Okay? Or kikitain mo. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.